Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 best VPNs for Disney+. I've been using Disney+ for years, and I've tested a lot of VPNs over time, both to protect my connection and to access content libraries from other countries. Because these days, the main reason to use a VPN with Disney+ isn't really security, it's the ability to access movies and shows that are not normally available in your country. Everything you're about to hear is based on my personal experience. One important thing to note, every VPN on this list comes from a reputable provider, follows a strict no-logs policy, and includes a money-back guarantee, so you can try them all risk-free. I'll be showing them on PC, but they're also available on Mac, iPhone, Android, and even Smart TVs. Alright, let's get straight into it. For me, the best VPN for Disney+ is ExpressVPN. It's easily the most reliable VPN I've tested for Disney+, with excellent speeds and very few detection issues. It has a huge network of thousands of servers across 105 countries, making it easy to access different Disney+ libraries around the world. Performance-wise, it's one of the fastest VPNs I've ever tested, which is essential if you want to stream Disney+ in HD without buffering. When it comes to security, it also delivers premium level protection, strong encryption, DNS leak protection, RAM-only servers, with trusted server technology, basically everything you'd expect from a top-tier VPN. The app is very easy to use. Just launch it, choose a country, click the connect button, and you're online within seconds. It's highly effective at accessing international Disney+ libraries, and, as I mentioned earlier, detection issues are very rare. If you're looking for simplicity, reliability, and the best possible streaming performance, ExpressVPN is a very safe bet. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/express or click the link in the video description. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it completely risk-free. Next up is NordVPN. If ExpressVPN is my top choice for simplicity and reliability, NordVPN is an excellent option if you want more features while still enjoying outstanding streaming performance. NordVPN is one of the most popular VPNs on the market, and it's also one of the most feature-rich. It's a very high-performance service, offering fast speeds and stable connections, perfect for watching Disney+ without interruptions or slowdowns. It has a massive network of over 9,400 servers in 129 countries, giving you access to a wide range of international Disney+ libraries. On the security side, NordVPN provides excellent protection, including strong encryption, DNS leak protection, a kill switch, and even a next-gen antivirus, which can block ads and certain malicious websites. The app is very easy to use. You can connect with a single click or manually choose a country whose Disney+ catalog you want to access. In practice, NordVPN works very well with Disney+, including HD streaming, with very few detection issues. If you're looking for a VPN that's fast, powerful, and easy to use, NordVPN is clearly an excellent choice. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click the link in the description. And with the promo code VCLUB, you can get several extra months for free. Like ExpressVPN, NordVPN also includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no risk in giving it a try. Now let's talk about CyberGhost. CyberGhost is a great option if you're looking for a VPN that's both easy to use and affordable. Overall performance is very good, with stable connections that make it easy to stream Disney+, including in HD. The service also boasts a huge network of more than 11,000 servers across 100 countries. One of CyberGhost's biggest strengths is its dedicated streaming servers, including servers optimized specifically for Disney+, as you can see here. Disney+ US, Disney+ Canada, Disney+ Japan, you'll find optimized servers for all the most popular Disney+ libraries. Security is solid as well, with strong encryption, DNS leak protection, and a kill switch that keeps your connection secure if the VPN unexpectedly disconnects. The app is very beginner-friendly. Launch it, choose an optimized Disney+ server, hit connect, and you're ready to go within seconds. In real-world use, CyberGhost performs very well when it comes to accessing international Disney+ libraries. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and budget-friendly VPN for streaming, CyberGhost is a fantastic option. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/cyber or click the link in the description. CyberGhost even offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is one of the longest in the industry. Honorable mention goes to Proton VPN, which is also an excellent alternative. It's especially appealing if privacy and online security are high priorities for you. It has an enormous network with more than 20,000 servers across 145 countries. Performance is strong, connections are stable, and the interface is clean and easy to use. It works well for accessing different Disney Plus libraries while maintaining a high level of privacy. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/proton or click the link in the description. Like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Whichever VPN you choose, there is really no risk involved. If you're not satisfied, you can simply request a refund. That's it for today. You now know which VPNs are the best choices for Disney Plus. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.